Welcome to Edupedia World. This is Varun Ganga. In our previous session, we have already seen some examples regarding with the technique in multiplication of numbers whose sum of its ones place is 10 and the remaining are same. In this session, we are going to have a look of another example with regarding the same technique. And the example that I am going to explain in this session is 494 into 496. So whenever you are multiplying any numbers, at first you just check whether the conditions are satisfying with regarding to the technique or not. Here, the conditions that has to be satisfied is number 1, the digits which are in ones place should be add up to 10. And the second condition is that the remaining digits rather than the ones place should be same. Now let us check whether these two conditions are satisfying or not. So if you see very closely here, the digit here is in ones place 4 and here we are having 6. So if you add these two digits, no doubt you will get the sum 10. So condition number 1 is satisfied. Now if you leave these two digits and if you see the remaining digits, we are having 49 and 49. The digits are same. So therefore, now without any hesitation, you can apply the technique here. Now before going to apply the technique, we have to write the numbers as we do multiplication in our old traditional way, that is, one below the other with the horizontal bar. After writing the numbers, now what we are going to do here again is, you just check if you add 4 and 6, you will get 10. So condition number 1 is satisfied and the remaining digits here we are having same. So therefore, we can apply the technique. Now let us apply the technique. We are having some steps in our technique. So step number 1 says that you have to multiply the digits that are in ones place. And if you get the product as a single digit number, you have to prefix it with 0. Now let us multiply these two digits. So 4 into 6, you will get 24. You just take down that 24 below the horizontal bar and write it on the right side. Now you just move on to the remaining digits. Here, step number 2 of the technique says that you have to multiply these numbers with its successor. So, I am taking successor for below 49. If you take successor for 49, you will get 50. Now you multiply this 50 with 49. If you multiply, you will get the product 2450. And you just write down below the horizontal bar on the left side. Now if you club both these two products and it becomes the final result for 494 into 496. So therefore you can say that 494 into 496 is equals to 2,45,024. So guys, I hope that you have understood the concept and the way of application of this technique very well. And I do hope that whenever you get such numbers, you just apply the technique and you get the answer not less than 20 seconds. So, in the next session, we are going to have a look of a new technique that will be very helpful in getting answers not less than 20 seconds. Now, I hope that you have understood the concept and also you have enjoyed the class very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.